x square plus bx plus c, since here a not equal to 0. Dividing this polynomial by a, we have x square plus b upon a into x plus c upon a. If we obtain if we convert this polynomial into difference of two square numbers, difference of two squares, then we have the solution of this polynomial. That is solution of this polynomial x square plus b upon x plus c upon a equal to 0, and it is equivalent to this equation, that is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we find the two square numbers and their difference. Here take these two terms and find the third term. The third term is, by completing square method, the third term is b upon 2a bracket square. If I add this term, so subtract also b upon 2a bracket square plus c upon a equal to 0. And this is the complete square of x plus b upon 2a bracket square. And by solving this, b square minus 4a square plus c upon a equal to 0. So x plus b upon 2a, here LCM of 4a square and a is 4a square. Divide this 4a square by 4a square, we have 1. 1 into b square, b square. Here minus sign is taken here. So here minus, divide 4a square by a. So we have 4a. 4a into c, that is 4ac equal to 0. And therefore this x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Taking square root of both sides, we have x plus b upon 2a equal to square root of this under root b square minus 4ac upon square root of 4a square is 2a. And we have two values of this, that is plus or minus. Plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So it is also written as x equal to minus b upon 2a plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x equal to 2a is else. Therefore minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. This is the formula for finding solution of quadratic equation by formula method. Here x is written as minus b plus or minus, first of all I take plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. I take one root here plus, so it is also denoted as alpha, and beta minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are alpha and beta. These are two roots of quadratic equation, and alpha equal to this value, beta equal to given this value. But note that if I interchange the values of alpha and beta, then see here, if alpha equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, then alpha is greater than beta. And if we consider alpha, value of alpha minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, then we say that alpha is less than beta. By using this formula, we find the roots of quadratic equation. Let us solve one example by formula method. Given example is x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Compare this. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we have value of a equal to 1, value of b equal to minus 2 and value of c equal to minus 3. Then first we find the values of b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, denoted by delta. Then put the values of this minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3. We have minus 2 square is 4 minus minus plus 4 into 3 12 equal to 16. Therefore values of b square minus 4ac is 16. Then by formula method, x value of x equal to x minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put all the values. Value of b is minus 2 minus value of b minus 2 plus or minus under root 16 upon 2 into a. Value of a is 1. Therefore it is minus minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 divided by 2. Therefore value of x equal to 2 plus 4 by 2 or x equal to 2 minus 4 by 2. Therefore x equal to 6 by 2 or x equal to minus 2 by 2. Therefore x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 1. Therefore minus 3 or minus 1 are roots of given equation. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Then if I take a y equal to x square, so it is written as x square equal to 2x plus 3. By solving graphically, take y equal to x square, but x square equal to 2x plus 3. First take equation that is y equal to x square and prepare the table for draw the graph, and second is this y equal to 2x plus 3 and prepare the table for this for values of x and y. If we draw the graph of this, the graph is as denoted by this figure, and here there are two values of x.